Good day, dear parents, families, my brilliant teachers, and most of all, my bright shining stars, the students. Namaste to all of you. I want to congratulate Podar World School Sama at this opportunity for the simple reason that the team at Sama decided that the year 2020 is not only going to be a year of crisis, adversity, and tragedy, but a year of growth, learning, and progress. Of course, there was difficulty, of course, there was tragedy, but Sama has used the theme of this event, that's turning pain into power, and actually lived it, breathed it, and embodied it. While other schools across India have cancelled their annual days, Sama decided, no, we are not taking no for an answer. We are going to have an annual day still. And we are going to explore new capacities, new creative abilities of our students and our teachers that we did not even know existed. And here was born the idea of the virtual annual day, the first ever virtual annual day of Podar World School and perhaps any school in India. So I'm so proud to see not only have you all been able to turn that pain into power, but you all have used adversity to actually make it an opportunity. Now they say that adversity, challenges come with opportunities. Yeah, they do come with opportunities, but only if you make use of them. Adversity has the ability of eliciting hidden talents that lay dormant inside us during prosperous times. We did not know that we had these kind of skills and talents and potentials in our students or even within ourselves. I was privileged last year to attend your annual day, and I remember that huge stage and those big spotlights and a crowd of about 3,000 people out in the garden, out in the audience. And it must have been nerve-wracking for some students, and some students came and owned the stage, like they just believed so confidently in themselves, and wonderful it was. So this year we were thinking about how is the virtual annual day going to happen, and what has been such a revelation, an eye-opener for us, is that the way these children have absolutely risen to the occasion and excelled so beautifully in front of the camera. I've seen a few rehearsals, a few clips of their practices and their trials, and I must say, hats off to you students. Y'all were like born for this. It's that good. Soon, I'm sure I'm going to be seeing y'all on TV, perhaps celebrity status, and on that day, I hope you all remember me when I come to you and I ask you for your autograph. So dear children, you all are born for this. You all have so much talent, potential, and you all are so confident. I think there's so much to learn from our children. Hats off to you and to the teachers who believed that we are not going to take this no for an answer. We are going to turn pain into power and continuing climbing new mountains that we did not know we had the strength inside us to climb. My dear children, my dear team at Sama, keep inspiring, keep excelling. Jai Hind.
Very happy to welcome our very dear chairman, sir, parents, our promising partner, all my sparkling educators and team member, and my superstars, my lovely students. I welcome you all for our virtual annual concert on turning pain into power and power into growth, turning struggle into strength and tragedies into triumphs. I'm delighted to see my enthusiastic students with their ideas unlimited in designing this virtual annual concert. It is so pleasing to see our little scriptwriter, photographers, video maker, sound modulars, actors, directors, choreographers, and whatnot. This virtual concert is designed to give a loud message that humans are intellectually powerful with emotions, and so only humans can turn pain into power. Let's remember 2020 as a warning bell to save humanity by adopting simple living, care for happiness, helping others, and writing thank you notes, and value for what we are blessed with. So, let's join our hands to celebrate turning pain into power.
Very enthusiastic welcome to the Galaxy of Intellects on behalf of Podar World School. Today, I'm profoundly honored to get the opportunity to announce our annual virtual concert, Turning Pain into Power. I'm Shweta Gotikar, Coordinator for Grade 1 and 2. Human beings are the best design of God. Our little stars have designed their show to turn pain into power with conviction and promise to the world. Let's join them, let's cheer them, let's encourage them for turning pain into power. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chrissy, the English educator. You will be amazed to see our little ones' devotional dance. Prayer gives us the spirit for turning pain into power.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
कोरोना 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 प्लीज कुछ तो करो ना। चलो इन बच्चों से ही सीखते हैं कि क्या करें।
If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. Always wash with sanitizer or a hand wash or a soap. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. Either wear a handkerchief or a clean and tidy mask. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. Always maintain social distance, stay with 1 meter distance. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. Never think of going out or even run about. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. If you want to beat Corona, say salam, namaste. If you want to beat Corona, say salam, namaste. Don't go shaking others' hands or touching eyes and nose. If you want to beat Corona, say salam. If you want to beat Corona, do all five. Wash your hands, wear a mask. Stay apart, stay at home. Say salam. If you want to beat Corona, do all five. Wash your hands, wear a mask. Stay apart, stay at home. Say salam. If you want to beat Corona, if you want to beat Corona, if you want to beat Corona, stay at home.
Hello, I'm Dipen Pratap Singh, sports educator. It's time to energize ourselves with Zumba. So happy to see your enthusiastic energy. Let's join them.
Hello, it's an advertisement break, so let's enjoy.
सॉरी रमेश, मेरा बेटा सिड खेलने नहीं आ पाया.
सॉरी? सिर्फ सॉरी? ये कोई आम मुद्दा नहीं है सर, ये बस एक अहम मुद्दा है. सिड को जवाब देना होगा. जनता को जवाब चाहिए, जनता को जवाब चाहिए. ये सरासर नाइंसाफी है.
बच्चे सिर्फ बड़ों के टीवी प्रोग्राम देखेंगे तो क्या सीखेंगे? डिज्नी किड्स पैक. डिज्नी से बचपन का मैजिक बनाए रखिए.
दिया, तुम्हारी साइंस की किताब नेहा से वापस ली?
क्या समझती है वो अपने आप को? मेरे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र रचेगी?
दिया,
उसका पाला मुझसे पड़ा है, वो मेरे पंजे से बच नहीं पाएगी.
दिया, ये
बस देखती जाओ माँ।
बच्चे सिर्फ बड़ों के टीवी प्रोग्राम देखेंगे तो क्या सीखेंगे? डिज्नी किड्स पैक, डिज्नी से बचपन का मैजिक बनाए रखिए।
Gratitude should be our lifestyle. The most two powerful words are thank you. Our shining students are here to express their gratitude towards our Corona warriors. We must join them.
The Jerusalema, an African song, is also known as COVID anthem. In this age of pandemic, this song and its moves lights up the message of hope among all the people worldwide. Feel the hope with happiness.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze no, no, no. yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana
Animals, trees, plants, birds all are very happy and feeling very peaceful as humans are in lockdown. So let's enjoy this scenario.
It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up.
And move around.
And move around.
And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up.
And move around.
And move around.
And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up.
And move around.
And move around.
And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there.
Do you know advertisement play an important role in our life? Advertising create awareness. So let's watch very creative advertisement performed by students and their family members.
अरे पहले हाथ तो धो लो।
शेर भी कभी अपने पंजे धोते हैं दीदी?
पंजे तो चूहे भी नहीं धोते मामा जी।
शेरों के पंजे भी अब से धुलेंगे, यू रोकेंगे टोकेंगे हो। खाने से पहले सदा हाथ धोना कभी भी ना भूलेंगे हो। जो माँ ने सिखाया वो सबको सिखाएंगे, एवरीबॉडी हाथ धो। ना फैले बीमारी जो आदत हमारी, डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
अरे अब कौन जाएगा इतनी दूर?
हॉस्पिटल तो और भी दूर है अंकल, वहाँ ना जाना पड़ जाए।
कोई बहाने नहीं अब चलेंगे, लेजी नहीं होंगे हो। इन्फेक्शन मिटाना है
बताओ, अब यहाँ कैसे होगा तुम्हारा डेटॉल हो?
घर हो या बाहर हो, पानी हो या ना हो, डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
साबुन से सच्चा है, साबुन से अच्छा है,
डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
डेटॉल लिक्विड हैंड वॉश और सैनिटाइजर दें 100 बीमारी फैलाने वाले जर्म से सुरक्षा।
तभी तो मामा ने सिर्फ डेटॉल का धुला।
Dance movements are powerful. It changes mood and spreads vibrant energies. So, dance also turns pain into power.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का। मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। तू मेरी बानी का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का। तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु।
Wow, what a wonderful performance it was. Parents, this is our promise for turning pain into power. My heartily gratitude for our chairman sir, our principal ma'am, our coordinator ma'am, all the teachers, and last but not the least, our cooperative parents. Without you, it was not possible to do this virtual annual day. The way you made the videos with your child, the way you took our correction in a positive manner, that is just fantastic. आप सबको तहे दिल से धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. Let's vanish all the negative energies and include positive energy within ourselves. Yes, we are ready for turning pain into power.